We've discussed y equals mx plus c, but if you ever have a situation where you have a gradient and a point on the line, you can work out the equation of the line in a much more simple way, and that's what we're covering today. This line has a coordinate of 2, 3 and a gradient of a half, and we can find the equation using y minus y1 equals m brackets x minus x1. The way we use this is m is going to be the gradient, so we just go substitute in 0.5 there, and x1 and y1 are the coordinates of the point we have. So it becomes y minus the y coordinate, which is 3, equals 0.5, which is our gradient, brackets x minus the x coordinate, which is 2. Expanding the brackets and adding 3 to both sides gives us the equation of the line in the format y equals mx plus c. So it's y equals 0.5x plus 2. Let's go through these questions. In this question we're told that the line has a gradient of 6 and there's a point at minus 6, 13. So our x1 will be minus 6, our y1 will be 13. And we're going to substitute that into y minus y1 equals m brackets x minus x1. So the y1 is 13, the x1 is minus 6, and the m, which is the gradient, is 6. And we're going to expand the brackets and add 13 to both sides. And our equation of our line in the form y equals mx plus c is y equals 6x plus 49. In this question we're given 2 coordinates, but we'll need the gradient to be able to work out the equation of the line. To do that, we need to find our x1, y1 and x2, y2 values, which is just the values of each coordinate, and use our formula gradient equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Substituting in the values, we find the gradient is 7. We can now use our y minus y1 equals m brackets x minus x1 equation form, and substitute in the values for x1, y1 and the newly found gradient of 7. Expand the brackets and add 5 to both sides, and our answer will be y equals 7x minus 9. In this question we're told that a line has a gradient of minus 3 and touches the line of y equals 4x plus 10 at the x-axis. To be able to use our format for the equation, we need a coordinate and the gradient, and at the moment we only have the gradient. But we do know it touches the line y equals 4x plus 10 at the x-axis, in other words when y equals 0. So substitute 0 into that equation, we get 0 equals 4x plus 10, take away 10 both sides, divide by 4 both sides, and we've got our coordinate on our line, which will be when x equals minus 2.5 and when y equals 0. So we know that our x1 coordinate is minus 2.5, our y1 coordinate is 0, and our m is minus 3. So substitute that into the format, and we get y equals minus 3x minus 7.5. And let's finish with this. A line passes 5, 0 and touches the x-axis at x equals 5. Comment on why you cannot find the equation of the line. If you think you know, let me know in the comments below. And you can go to onmaths.com or click the link in the description where you can access all of our free A-level papers and predictions, and you can even save your scores with a free account. This video is part of a larger A-level course that you can follow along with at onmaths.com.